we're going to be looking at converting units of weight and mass. So first, let's take a look at weight so we can fully understand in the units. The first unit, the lightest unit to measure weight, is ounces. Ounce is abbreviated OZ. When I think of ounces, I think of something like a pencil, one slice of bread, a key, something light. The next unit is pounds. Pounds is abbreviated LB. When I think of pounds, I think of a loaf of bread. A loaf of bread, maybe a chicken, a baseball, something like that, okay? And then the heaviest is tons. Now that is a really big unit, okay? It's even with a capital T. When I think of a ton, I think of maybe like a car, a boat, a truck, a whale, an elephant, something very large. Now let's take a look at mass. The lightest unit of mass is a milligram. Sorry, we're doing grams. A milligram. A milligram is abbreviated mg. Now, when I think of a milligram, I think of something very light, like maybe a feather. A feather, or even something light like a leaf. Then we have gram. This should be familiar like in science. I know when I use a balance scale and I'm using non-standard units, oftentimes I'll put something like a paper clip on one side to see how many paper clips might weigh like a marker or such. But a gram, I'm going to say is like a paper clip. Okay. A paper clip, a ladybug, something of that. Then the heaviest unit of mass is going to be a kilogram. A kilogram. When I think of a kilogram, which is abbreviated kg, I think of like a baseball bat. Okay. Now, you need your reference sheet, which is attached to the lesson, okay? I took a picture of mine so that I could have it close, okay? So here is my weight and mass. So if I'm going from tons to pounds, that's horse to fly, I would multiply. If I'm going from pound to ounce, well, a pound's large, an ounce is small. So I have a horse to fly, multiply. Now, if I was doing the opposite, let's say I was going from grams to kilograms, okay? Well, grams is small and kilograms is larger. So that'd be fly to horse, divide, of course. Just want to remind you of those sayings. See you at the next lesson.